Patrick Sims, Director of Policy and Research at the Hunt Institute. In August 2020, the Institute released a new tool, an interactive map that displays COVID-19 cases by school district. This tool is made by matching the New York Times' publicly released county-level data on COVID-19 cases and deaths with school districts. We've published 4 maps in total, national and state-level maps for both cases per capita and deaths per capita. First, let's take a look at how this tool works when looking at cases per capita on the national level. You'll see some geographic patterns, illustrated by the gradated coloration across districts. The darker the color of the school district, the greater the cases per capita, or the greater the number of cases as a share of the county's total population. Now, let's take a look at the state level. In the right-hand corner, there's a drop-down menu where you can select your state. The Hunt Institute is based in Cary, North Carolina. In North Carolina, counties are typically school districts. Let's hover over Montgomery County. When we do this, we see that in the past 14 days, 65 new cases have been reported. For every 26 people, 1 case has been reported. We can also see information about the county's public school students. There are about 4,000 students in the county, and 73% of them are eligible for free and reduced price lunch. According to the CDC, American rural areas face distinct challenges with COVID-19. Rural counties tend to have systemic health and social inequities and less access to health care. We hope this tool will help people quickly get a snapshot of how COVID-19 is impacting school districts and empower districts, schools, parents, and policymakers to make well-informed decisions regarding school reopening.